So today I'm having my subscribers choose the photo shoot. We have our beautiful model here today.
Hi.
Leia, how long have you been modeling for?
Approximately 5 years.
Are you ready to have other people tell us what to do?
Sure.
Let's see what you guys got for us today. Shoot only while lying down. Try a photo underwater. Listen, we got the legs here, but I don't
That's
think.
not gonna
Yeah, that's
happen.
not. Shoot with your feet. Okay, I don't think it's that kind of video. If you don't.
Whoa.
Shoot with the camera upside down. How would that work? In the water. Everyone wants you in the water today. Shoot without looking into the camera. Oh, a hair flip? Nah, it's a little bit like 2014. Take a picture blindfolded or without looking into the screen. You ready to do that?
Why not?
It's whatever the model wants. Let's do it. Let's do it. So the first one is I'm gonna be lying down completely. So I'll just be relaxed. Okay, how am I supposed to find the spot lying down though? I'll just do one of these.
On the grass.
Oh, it's wet. The grass is wet. Okay, we're not doing the grass. What about the rocks? Okay, this is nice. Okay. This guy in his car is probably, no, I'm fine. I'm not dead. I'm just gonna do one of these, you guys. Okay, come all the way closer. Come closer. Yes, great job. A bit more shoulder, like bring your shoulder. Yes, perfect. And then, you guys, my neck is strained, but it's fine. I could shoot like this all the time. I don't mind. Yes, perfect. And then lean back a bit. And then have your legs together, standing together. Yes. Yeah, I love that. This is actually really cool. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys. I actually really like these. And leaning in towards my camera. Tilt your chin up so you elongate your neck a bit, yeah. All right, I mean, we killed that one. Is my back all wet? It's fine. Good job to you, you did so good. Okay, I would say that one was a success. Laying down gave me like a different perspective, which I've never done that before. So I actually really liked it. But I don't know if I'll be laying down randomly in random places after this, but we never know, we never know. We're gonna do the lying down thing also over here. We're here in Switzerland, I'm about to lay down all over Switzerland. That did not sound right. Okay, so we're gonna do the lying down one right here. Second location, are you ready? We got some nice views of the mountains. Let's just do this. Where should I lie down? Right here? Those people are definitely staring at me, but that's fine. And come up towards my lens, come up. Yes, love it. Yes, I love that. Beautiful, stay right there. Lovely, good job. Come up to my lens all the way. Oh my God, I love these, good job. Okay, seriously, so good, the best. The best. Okay, someone left me a suggestion to shoot through like a bush, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna pretend that I'm a stalker and taking pictures. I'm dedicated to this idea. Okay, here we go. How about you're like peeking through the bush, like you're opening up the leaves? There's this one piece right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, that's pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool. Yes, love that. Lift your chin up a bit. Like, not gonna lie, but these are pretty fire. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I just fell in. You know, honestly, I would shoot in a bush again. I honestly would. Gave it like a different perspective, which is cool. Plus, I felt like paparazzi for a day, so. Honestly, they turned out really good. Oh, remember the one that I have to be screaming directions at her?
I'm ready.
You want me
Give it to me?
Okay, so the next one, I'm gonna be screaming directions, like nice directions. I'll just be screaming. So I want you to be like all the way over there, because it'll be awkward if she's right next to me and I'm screaming at her. Oh my God, am I really gonna be screaming? Am I gonna get in trouble? All right, go all the way down there, a little bit further. More? Can't do this, you guys. Okay. All right. I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay, run towards me. Perfect. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, back up just a little bit. Okay, jump when you get to my lens. Jump. The police come. Ma'am, you can't be doing that here. This is not America. Okay, have your hands up. Okay, I can't scream anymore. There's no way. Someone's gonna come out of their house and arrest me, and I don't wanna get arrested in another country. Okay, the next one was not looking. I'll just close my eyes and just say a prayer. Let's do it something different. Let's have you like right here. I'm not gonna even do a light test or anything. She's like, I'm not getting pictures from this.
Yes, I am.
It's a joke, it's a joke. Okay, so I just do this. This is awkward, I'm not gonna lie, okay. Yeah, it's a little weird. I feel like paparazzi. Let's do something. Maybe do like a hand in the lens, maybe? Yeah, maybe we'll get lucky. Okay. Okay, one of those has to be good. Should we look at them? Oh my God, are these all blurry? Okay, wait, some of them aren't. Actually, that one's pretty good.
That's nice.
I wanted to do more close-up. Let's do more close-up.
Oh.
Let me do one portrait. I'm gonna even do a zoom in. I'm gonna get creative right now. F-stop is at 7.1. I can hear the focus, but I can't see where it's focusing. Okay, I saw that last one. I'm not gonna lie. It's like an advertisement for the necklace. Okay, honestly, that one's good. You know what? Let's just keep it moving. That one's not bad.
No, it wasn't.
It's not bad. The aperture could have been better, but we can't fix the settings here. Let's do one more. Let's pick one more. Let's see what they got for us. A shoot with leading lines. You guys know how much I love leading lines. It's actually one of my favorite things in photography. I only photograph by this rule. I'm joking. We're gonna find like a bridge or something and then place you in the middle where the lines lead. Let's do that. Gotta find the leading lines. Is this leading lines? Right? It is leading to you, so technically. Maybe sit in the middle. Okay, I gotta fix my shirt. I'm a little sweaty. How do people do it? Like this? Yeah, maybe sit like right here. Yes, okay. Leading lines, okay. Right, these are leading lines. I don't know, you guys. You gotta tell me. I mean, technically they lead straight to, right? That's leading, I don't know, is this leading lines? All right, guys, so I took your advice. I sat in the bush. I laid on the ground. I screamed at the model today, and we got some really good pictures. I think overall, I did a pretty good job, but thanks to the model, I mean, you did amazing with the posing. So, Leia, what's your Instagram? Where can people find you?
Hi guys, you can follow me on Instagram. My name is Leia Avocado, and it was a really nice experience shooting with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. When I was kind of worried telling her, I was like, is she gonna think this idea is crazy? But you were a champ. You had so much fun with everything. So thank you so much for, first of all, traveling 2 hours to be here. It was super fun. Let us know what pictures you guys like best. Also, leave your suggestions for maybe another one where you guys tell us more stuff to do. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.